everybody, my name is Angela Romero, Ayurveda practitioner and holistic health coach, as well as Pilates instructor and Reiki energy healer, currently practicing out of Glendora, California. My mission is to help my clients to feel happier, healthier, and more revived and energized about themselves, reigniting that fire inside. And in order to do that, I have become a holistic health coach, incorporating Pilates as well as Ayurveda and Reiki energy into my practice. Through Pilates, I help my clients gain more confidence and just feel better about themselves by building those deep intrinsic muscles supporting their spine, their joints, and their internal organs to help them stand taller, look leaner, preventing injuries, and of course, just gain confidence in general overall. Through through Ayurveda, India's ancient holistic health practice, which is over 5,000 years old, also known as the science of life, I help guide my clients from an unbalanced state back into a balanced state through their diet, their lifestyle, spices, herbs, treatments, as well as our sister science, yoga. I do offer free 15-minute consultations for anyone that's interested to see if any of these is something that would be good for you at this time in your life. In addition, on this channel, you can look forward to free health and wellness tips is what I like to offer. So you can just take them and kind of utilize them in your daily life and kind of figure out what is Ayurveda, what is Reiki all about, what is Pilates all about, and if it's something that's good for you in your life right now, or maybe perhaps in the future, or for somebody that you know. Wherever it is, my name is Angela, and I look forward to helping you live a superior life and just feel that fire and just live it. Just go out and just live your dream and live your passion.